Hello students, we are going to discuss about types of dryer continuation part. Second one, rotary dryer. This figure shows that rotary dryer. Construction of rotary dryer. It consists of long cylindrical shell of dia 1 to 3 meter and length 3 to 30 meter. It acts at a slight angle to the horizontal, so that material feed is consequently through the dryer from one end to other end. Cylindrical shell rollers show that it can be rotated. It is fitted with thrust wheel. Working of rotary dryer. Cylindrical shell is rotated by gear mechanism at a speed of 2 to 25 revolution per minute. Air is taken into the dryer from the product heat. It is heated in a heater. Then moves through the dryer in a counter current fashion, opposite direction, with respect to the material to be dried. Moisture of the feed evaporate and finally the moisture air leave the dryer. Air leaving the dryer will contain some dust particle are removed by cyclone separator. Efficiency of this device 50 to 80%. Drying rate is 10 to 50 kg per hour. Advantages, limitation and applications of rotary dryer. First one, advantages. Good gas contacting. Moderate drying time. Capital cost is low. Drying and calcining in the same unit. What is calcining? The process of heating a substance to a high temperature but below the melting or fusing point, causing loss of moisture, reduction or oxidation and dissociation into simpler substances. Thermal efficiency is high. Are clear? Okay. So limitations of this device: difficulty of sealing, product built upon interior wall, high structural load, non-uniform residence time. Applications of this device: it is used in drying granular or crystalline substances, to dry cement granules in cement industry. Third one, fluid bed dryer. Construction of fluid bed dryer. It consists of two types of bed dryer or in industry. One is vertical dryer, another one horizontal dryer. Vertical bed dryer is shown in figure. It is made up of stainless steel, used for charging and discharging of the feed. Capacity of vertical bed dryer 5 to 200 kg. Average drying time 20 to 40 minutes. Working of vertical bed dryer. Hot air is used to keep the wet feed in a fluidized state. Fluidized meaning fluidization. It is a process similar to liquefaction, whereby a granular material is converted from a static solid like state to a dynamic fluid like state. This process occurs when a fluid is passed up through the granular material. Wet material is dried and cooled in the same bed. Wet feed material is admitted to the top of the bed through a hooper via rotary valve. Hot air is distributed at the bottom of the bed and dry product is taken out from the side. Heat and mass transfer coefficients are high. Why? Because turbulence created in the bed. Advantages and limitations of vertical bed dryer. First one, advantages. It takes less time to complete drying, 20 to 40 minutes. Handling time is short. It is 15 times faster than tray dryer. labor cost is low, efficiency is 2 to 6 times greater than tray dryer. Drawback of this dryer: many organic powder develop electrostatic charges during drying. What is electrostatic? It is a phenomena arise from the forces that electric charges exert on each other. Such forces are described by Coulomb's law. Electrostatic involves the buildup of charge on the surface of objects due to contact with other surfaces. Turbulence of the fluidized state of granules causes attrition. Thank you for your attention.